Once upon a time, Mrs. Potter's rabbits were having their afternoon tea and began to read. I wonder what they're reading. Perhaps they're on a Viking ship with our hero Beowulf, or watching young Arthur pull Excalibur out of the stone. Maybe they're reading the diary of poor shipwrecked Robinson Crusoe, or Frankenstein's monster from Mary Shelley's pen. Could it be a complicated romance of Pride and Prejudice or of Jane Eyre's Forbidden Love? But they could also be reading about a lost world full of dinosaurs and the mad scientists who's out to prove their existence.
Hey guys, welcome to your classroom. I'm Mrs. Cortez, and you and I are going to go on a journey through some amazing stories. And yes, we're even going to go follow a hobbit to Mordor. So get ready. 1 credit, 32 weeks, British literature and composition.
And yes, you'll practice essay writing, but we're going to do it the easy way. Writing essays does not have to be hard, I promise.
So come join me and some cute bunnies from Beatrix Potter as we tackle British literature and composition.